Girl, before we even get started with this video, let me just tell you right now, this is not going to be one of those videos that you just click on through. If you feel like your hair doesn't grow, if you feel like your hair has been stuck at a certain length for a certain amount of time, if you feel like there are certain areas of your hair that doesn't grow, this is going to be the video for you. I'm going to explain everything. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Victoria. If you are new here, hey. In this video, I'm going to be covering all the reasons why you feel like your hair isn't growing. So let's just hop right into it. The first thing I want to talk about, now this is for people with textured hair. The reason why is because I got a comment in my comment section saying basically that black hair doesn't grow and that's textured hair. So I just wanted to kind of cover it here and just say, it does. And the only reason we feel like our hair doesn't grow are these reasons. Now, the first reason is because of sebum. Now, we have something in our scalp that is called sebum. Let's get into it. Sebum is naturally produced in the scalp, and what it's supposed to do is it's supposed to travel down our hair shaft and protect our hair shaft. And it contains nutrients that help to protect and create a barrier on that hair and helping it to stay moisturized, helping it to stay shiny, healthy, and also to prevent breakage. However, if you have textured hair, it's hard for that sebum to travel. So you may notice that people with straight hair, they may always complain about their hair being kind of oily. The reason why is because when you have a piece of straight hair, that sebum can go from your scalp like it's supposed to and travel all the way down your hair shaft, and then it becomes oily. However, with textured hair, our hair has these grooves and loops and texture that actually makes it so that the hair, that oil cannot travel down to the ends of our hair. So we don't have any protection there. It's all in our scalp. That's why I noticed that in a lot of my videos, when I tell you guys not to shampoo your hair often, I get a lot of comments with people saying, well, I will have a lot of buildup on my scalp if I don't do that. And you will have a lot of buildup on your scalp because your sebum cannot get past our kinks and our coils, and it can't get past all of our texture. It can't get past our waves. So what I would suggest is scalp massage. You guys already know that I'm really big on scalp massage, but massaging your scalp will help to mobilize that sebum. And what I would do is massage it, and then I would glide it down to the ends of my hair. That way you can get that natural oil on the ends of your hair, on the shafts of your hair, to protect each hair strand. Now, you don't have to do that every single day, but I would do it at least once a week at very least, so your hair can get its natural nutrients. Now, with more textured hair, what we have to do is we have to kind of compensate for the fact that the sebum that we're naturally producing is not getting to the ends of our hair, and we have to compensate with other things. So you want to make sure you are deep conditioning and moisturizing your hair with things like aloe or avocado or whatever deep conditioner that you like, so our hair won't be dry and then break off. Because what's happening with our hair is growing, but it's also breaking at the same rate that it's growing. So it appears, or it creates the illusion that our hair isn't growing, but in fact it is. Okay, girls, so now that we know what is creating the illusion that our hair doesn't grow, let's go ahead and go over some things that will help to stimulate hair growth and help to fix our issues and what's going on with our particular hair type. So the first thing that I want to talk about is diet. Diet is very important when it comes to hair growth and maintaining your hair. And so I like to make sure that I include things in my diet that help to support hair growth. The things that I like to make sure that I have are things like selenium. You can find that in like sunflower seeds or pumpkin seeds or any type of seeds or nuts, zinc, vitamin E, omega-3 fatty acids, which you can find in fish, or salmon especially. You want to make sure you're having lots of berries. I personally have a smoothie, a fruit smoothie every morning. Make sure you're having your veggie shakes. Now, recently I haven't been having enough time in the day because I've just been busy lately. And if you're like that and you like to do a lot of shakes and stuff and, you know, whatever, it's still very important to keep up with your health in general and overall. So I have been collaborating myself with this company called Care Of. It looks like this. And what it is a monthly subscription service, and they send vitamins over to you, and I love it. I take this every day with my probiotics, and it looks like that. It has your name on it, so it says, "Hi, Victoria." So let me tell you guys what I have in mind. I have magnesium, zinc, and B complex. Now this has really been helping me out to keep my body nourished, and on days where I really just don't have enough time in the day to like get in all of the nutrients that I need. This is a really cool company. I really like and trust them because they really do their research on what your particular body needs. How it works is you go to their website and you fill out this quiz, and on the quiz you can choose specifically what you are looking for your body type. So say for instance you were interested in hair, which is exactly what I did. Go take the quiz, figure out what works for you. If you don't have enough time in your day, like I said, like me, or just in general, just to stay healthy, I would definitely try this company out. I'm really weird when it comes to supplements and what's in my supplements, and these feel really clean to me when I look at the ingredients, so I would suggest trying them out. Make sure you're using code VictoriaV and you'll get 50% off of your first month, and I will leave a link in the description box below for you to try them out. So cute. Let me show you guys up close. Alright, so now let's get into my very controversial topic that you guys always bring up to me, and that is with washing your hair. Now, you guys know that I promote co-washing, which is using just conditioner as opposed to washing your hair, and let me explain why with our hair. Now, I've already explained to you guys about sebum and its natural nutrients that our hair needs in order to grow. When you go to wash your hair, all you're doing really is you're stripping your hair of the natural nutrients that it needs, which is the sebum. And not only that is you're making your hair very, very dry, because shampoo strips the hair of oils. Just think about kind of like washing dishes. Like the dishwashing liquid is designed to go in and attach to the oils and strip it off. That's exactly what happens when you are washing your hair. So I'm not saying don't wash your hair, just kind of minimize how much you're washing your hair. And when I wash my hair, I go in just to my scalp and I get only my scalp and massage, and I get it out of there really quickly because I don't want to strip my hair and make my hair dry, because once it's dry it's more likely to break off, and that's what we're trying to avoid. So I would suggest co-washing your hair on a regular basis, because that's actually putting into your hair a conditioner, something that's conditioning and moisturizing your hair. So if you can, limit your shampoo use as much as possible. And there you have it, girl. Your hair is definitely growing. Okay, so never worry about if your hair is growing. Your hair is growing. You just have to make sure you're doing everything you possibly can to maintain the hair that you already have so that it doesn't break off. But that's creating the illusion that your hair is not growing. So let's get into some things to help stimulate hair growth, which topically, which I like to do.
And I'm sorry if you are not new here and you feel like I'm one repeat.
But some people are new here, and I really want to explain this to you guys. So what I like to do and what I use in my hair are 3 essential oils that have been game changers for me. And those are tea tree oil, peppermint oil, as well as rosemary oil. Those 3 essential oils mixed with the carrier oil. Make sure you're using a carrier oil or you will mess your hair up. And what they do is they stimulate hair growth because it increases the circulation in your scalp, and once it increases that circulation, it starts to make your hair grow, and it also creates new hair follicles. So you want to do things like that. I have a whole video on it. I'll make sure I'll link it below so you can check that video out. In addition to that, girls, just love your hair. It doesn't matter what your hair texture is. It doesn't matter what your race is. It does not matter what your hair type is. Just love your hair. Give your hair some good TLC. Make sure you are doing hot oil treatments. Hot oil treatments, especially with shea butter. I love shea butter. I have a whole video on that. I'll make sure I link that below too. Just to get your hair nourished and to put that extra coating on our hair that we don't get from our sebum, and feed your hair. Give your hair good nutrients like avocados and bananas and so on, and make a mask. Have a video on that. I'll make sure I leave that in the description box below. And don't get discouraged. Make sure you are staying up with your hair routine and make sure that you are taking care of your existing hair so you can really see that growth. I know it doesn't feel like it, but your hair is growing. I'm here to support you. Let me know if you have any questions in the description, in the comments section below. Oh, and I want to do a giveaway. If you guys don't already know, I make a hair serum that contains all of the essential oils that I mentioned, as well as with a blend of liquid biotin, as well as Jamaican black castor oil, coconut oil, jojoba oil. So I'll be giving one away. All you have to do to win this is to like this video, leave in the comment section, I want that hair oil, and share this video with a friend, and I'll randomly select a winner. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I love y'all. Bye.